If I'm not wrong, today is my 14th day in the United States cycling. The 14th day of cycling and bike touring, and I took a day off, meaning no cycling today, and it has been a perfect decision, as it seems that it's raining so much and it's actually cold right now. I should go and wash my clothes in a laundry. Let's see. I'm gonna have a walk. So, Circleville, small town America. They say Circleville has 13,000 inhabitants. See, there is a railway and a railway station, but I don't think it's for passengers at all. I think. Let's see what the main street shopping can offer. So we have a bar. We have a bicycle chopper. See that? Oh, yes, another bar. Then there is a DIY creative shops for art supplies and things. Oh yeah, by the way, inside the station we had a couple of places to eat. So it is Circleville Nutrition, I guess. Well, they serve food. This is great. This is fantastic picture. It's pretty straightforward what they do. Moving on, we have a beautiful guitar shop. Can you imagine 13,000 people living here? But a music store. No, it is an instrument. No, it's mostly guitars and LPs, vinyls. A hair salon for women, I guess. Yeah. Here, a printing shop. They print everything on everything. And here we have not sure, guys, what it is all about. More shops on the other side. There we have a mural with a trompe-l'œil. That means a fake perspective. Here we have even a museum dedicated to Ted Lewis, a musician. And here is a Mexican restaurant. Not bad. Oh, that is good. An old style bakery. Well, not old style, but a bakery for sure. On the other side, eatery and sport bar. You never miss a game. Attorney. Fashion. I'm skipping a couple of stores, guys. Not sure. Spiritual. What is souvenir or freaky things? More clothes. Not my style, sorry. On the other side we have oh, this is so useful. New and used guns. So there is even a second-hand market for used guns. Makes sense. And next to it, I think it's guns as well. Excalibur Outdoor. Go, go, go. And on this way, this side, blank, nothing. Moving on, clothes. Be yourself because everyone else is taken. Oh, that's very interesting. Beautiful, beautiful sentence. That's another mural with a 3D effect, another trompe-l'œil. The sky behind isn't blue, so it's easy to spot that it's a fake. But isn't that beautiful? Tattoos for anybody that wants a tattoo. And next to it there is a local music venue. That's another shop where you can give all you can, and I think they give you money in exchange, like guns, gold and more. On Main Street also some beautiful house. On the other side, as you can see on my right, we have I don't know what is this, not sure. There is such a heavy traffic in downtown here with the large trucks. A bank, we all need a bank. We have insurance, a flower shop, because you know, gifts, another bank, and here a memorial hall. I wonder if this is the city hall. That could be. It could be. But it doesn't say. The place where everyone is talking to everyone.